Hey besties! Feeling stuck in the same routine and unsure where to start? Maybe you're low on confidence or just tired of how things went this year. Trust me, I've been there. But what if I told you that you can start leveling up right now and enter 2025 as the best version of yourself? I've got 8 simple tips to help you transform before the new year begins. Let's get into it. Tip 1. Declutter your space, room, and phone. Tip number 1. Declutter your space. Whether it's your room or your phone, clearing out the mess makes a huge difference. Think about it. When your room is tidy, your mind feels less chaotic. Try setting aside just 10 minutes a day to organize. And don't forget your phone. Delete apps that drain your energy or take up unnecessary space. A clean environment equals a clear mind. Tip 2. Set small, achievable goals. Next up, set small, achievable goals. Big goals can feel overwhelming, but when you break them down into tiny, manageable tasks, it's so much easier to stay on track. Instead of saying, I want to be healthier, try I'll read 5 pages today or I'll meditate for 5 minutes. Those little wins will keep you motivated. And remember to reward yourself when you hit these small goals. It's all about keeping the momentum going. Tip 3. Create a morning routine. Want to feel more energized and set a positive tone for your day? Start by waking up early and creating a morning routine that works for you. Make a to-do list to organize your day, jot down your thoughts in a journal, or even enjoy a cup of tea while you mentally prepare for what's ahead. It's all about starting your day with intention. The way you begin your morning sets the tone for the entire day, so start strong, stay strong. Tip 4. Level up your fashion style. Your fashion style is a powerful way to boost your confidence and express who you are. And you don't need a total wardrobe makeover to do it. Focus on dressing for your body type, so you feel comfortable and confident in every outfit. Experiment with new looks, add accessories, or try out colors you don't usually wear. And if you're really ready for a change, why not get a fresh haircut? When you feel good in what you're wearing and how you look, that confidence will shine through in everything you do. Tip 5. Stay active and dance it out. Now, let's talk about movement. It's not just about working out. Staying active in general boosts your energy and makes you feel amazing. Whether it's dancing around your room, going for a walk, or even taking the stairs instead of the elevator, just move. Movement releases those good vibes and helps you stay sharp. Tip 6. Nourish your body with healthy food. Tip 6. Nourish your body. You've heard it before, but seriously, healthy food is fuel for your body and mind. Start simple, add more fruits, veggies, and water into your routine. When you treat your body with healthy food, you're going to feel more energized, focus better, and even feel better about yourself. It's all about that inner glow. Tip 7. Gratitude, affirmations, and hobbies. Here's a game changer: gratitude, affirmations, and finding a hobby you love. Start your day by writing down at least 3 things you're grateful for. It shifts your mindset from focusing on what you don't have to appreciating what you do. And don't forget about affirmations. Simple statements like, I am strong or I am worthy can seriously boost your confidence. On top of that, spend time doing something you enjoy, a hobby like painting, journaling, or even cooking. Engaging in hobbies can calm your mind and bring joy into your everyday life. It's a powerful combo to keep you grounded and energized. Tip 8. Surround yourself with uplifting people. Finally, make sure you're surrounding yourself with the right people. Cut out those toxic influences who drain your energy or hold you back. Instead, spend more time with those who make you laugh, support you, and lift you up. When you're around people who believe in you, you'll believe in yourself even more. Choose your inner circle wisely. It can make all the difference in your glow up. All right, you've got this. Those were 8 tips to help you level up your life before 2025. Remember, it's all about showing up every day and making small changes that add up over time. You can totally do it. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more glow up tips, and let's make the new year your year. See you in the next video. Bye, love.